Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable characters on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your iPhone. All you have to do is first you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to settings. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on accessibility here, just click on it. You come to next tip here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on spoken content, just click on it here. So then you come to next tip here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on chip in feedback, just click on it. You come to next tip here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to characters. So then you click here in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's contact main characters display with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.